Guys, happy Sunday. Today is July 17th. So yeah, I didn't really know what to vlog about today, but I talk about my roommates all the time, and I just thought it would be a great idea if you guys meet them. So this is 24 hours with my roommates. They're awesome, they're amazing, and you guys are gonna like them. They're actually really fun too. So yes, we have, today is one of my roommates' birthday. Her birthday's on Monday, Precious. It's her birthday, so we're planning on going to the beach. We're just planning on being drunk today, like having a fun time today. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with us everywhere we go, and yeah. Roommate,
Fuck it up if it's your birthday, bitch.
you're not the birthday guys. Oh, excuse me. Listen, already twerking. This is Alex. Literally, I like to call him the diva, and that's Precious. Hi, Precious. It's Precious' birthday. Happy birthday, Precious! It's tomorrow. Her birthday's tomorrow, but
It's actually Tuesday, but
Tuesday.
yeah, let's say next Tuesday.
Okay, next Tuesday. Okay. Yeah, so it's Precious' birthday, and we're gonna be drunk, hot, like it's just gonna be crazy.
Great time.
And this is Stefan, the model of the house. Literally the model, freaking tall as fuck. Stand up so they can see how tall and amazing you are. Oh, you don't have the pants? Just keep your stuff wrapped. Look at her. Okay. That's Yasu right there. She's still a little bit kind of tipsy.
I'm so drunk.
You're drunk.
This is my boyfriend Daniel.
That is not. This is her friend. This is her friend. What's her your name is Daniel too? Oh, nice. Her boyfriend name is Daniel, so this is her friend named Daniel. She always meet people with a Okay, guys, and this is Artie.
Artie boy.
Artie, can you put him up? Let's see him.
He's so calm.
He just got a haircut, so he looks a little bit more skinny, but he's usually
He's very buff.
yeah, he's very buff, you know.
Yeah.
He's a big boy.
Look at the boy.
Yeah, this is Artie. He's also, he just live here rent free, you know. But this is him. Shots.
All these bitches are trying to jump in.
The chopstick.
I'm crying.
Where's Mello?
Okay, right. She's coming out.
She gotta take a shot, Joe.
Yeah.
Catch her. I'm still on the shot.
Eyelash my eye.
Ooh.
You're gone now, will you coming back? Yeah, I know.
Some of this right now.
Ooh, look at all these cute crystals. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna come back here.
White sage. Yeah, I feel like white sage is like,
Look at,
you can only be a certain type of person.
dude, let's. Okay, we just saw this cute crystal shop. I'll just stop here. Oh my god, this is cute. This is look like totally Alex vibe.
Yeah, this is elegant.
Alex, this is like you. This is so you.
Like a year ago.
Are you gonna get something?
Probably not, because I'm broke.
We don't speak that language. We just don't have it right now.
Intuition and manifestation. This is essential oil, pure essential oil.
Oh, sure.
Oh, can I have some free oil?
Can I get some free oil of manifestation?
Yeah, but don't
yeah.
for me.
Oh, yeah, you're not eating it.
Ooh, this sounds pretty good.
So this is good for intuition and manifestation. Hold on. So we get all this from Egypt.
Ooh,
Yeah.
Wow.
beautiful.
So nice. Let's come back. I want to get a crystal. Look at this one. This one look like a turtle. It is a turtle. This is so cute. You have one of these.
Wherever you see over there, we are sold.
So nice. Yeah, these are so nice. Definitely want to grab something, but yeah. Alright. I think my makeup looked really cute today. I didn't really put anything on. I just did like a very light makeup. I didn't put foundation, but I did blush, bronzer, and all that. So yeah. But yeah. Just walking down guys. It's cold.
What? Feel this wind?
Going to the beach. Or trying to go.
Honestly, I thought it was
Smells good.
Oh my god. So we got on the beach and just spread out our blanket so we can relax. That is what we're doing. Yeah, the weather was really nice. It wasn't too hot and it was not cold either. It was just perfect. So today was the perfect day to go to the beach. And plus, I think this was like a Tuesdays during the weekdays, so there was not a lot of people at the beach. There was, too many people, so it was great. But yeah, we just spread our stuff down and just lay down and relax. No! Like, why now? Like, it's way. Like, shut the fuck up. Shut. I'm recording.
She's a whore. Just kidding. She's
Not
just
really.
mean to me.
No, I'm not. You devil. Wow, take a shot.
Hold on, let me get on my knees.
You better take it.
Ginger lime.
Ooh.
Alright, let's go.
Did you guys take a shot? Oh, let me take a shot now, pass it.
Brennan.
When I figure it like that, I feel like my alcohol.
I'm cooking alcohol again.
Yeah, it's disgusting. You just get taster for us. Even if you have to buy like one Coca-Cola, we appreciate you.
It's like an hour later.
They're like 9 layers. 9 layers for shit. Yeah. Happy birthday to Precious. There you go. Take a shot, birthday girl. Yes, girl. Yes. Birthday girl, do you want to take a shot too?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, there you go.
Oh, always there.
Take a shot, take a shot.
I need a little bit of liquor here. I'm gonna add it to here.
Okay.
All right.
Ooh. Okay, let me take a shot. Yeah.
I know, but it's not that bad.
It's not bad. But it's not bad. So I'm trying to look all cute and whatever, and Brennan is in the back. He's our neighbor, and yeah. So, and there goes me and Alex trying to be twerking. We're always dancing. Literally, me and him, we're always dancing. And y'all know I don't really know how to dance, but I don't be caring. But I can twerk. I can shake that ass.
Like that booty. Bow, bow.
So the sun was starting to set. It was so beautiful. This is one thing that I love by California is the beach. The beach are just so beautiful, gorgeous. There I go doing my own thing because you know me, I'm always dancing and twerking. So we all decided to go in the water. So it was really nice. Yes, you don't come to the beach and just lay down. You go in the water and you have fun. After we were done playing in the water, we came back to the blankets and just relaxed. And yeah, we're just having a conversation on when we should leave because the sun was setting. It's golden hours time, and as you can see, I look so good. But yeah, it was just a great vibe overall. I really love going to the beach. It's like, and I love going to the beach with other people because it's just, you know, it's just always more fun. I don't know what Brandon is doing in the back, but he was dancing, y'all.
You know how I get. You know how I get with my notes.
So sorry guys, but I have to do voiceovers so I don't get a copyright strike. But Brandon is just dancing, being goofy. Say bye to the people.
That wasn't Megan, yeah.
Next time,
That
so.
wasn't Megan the sign. Billy
Gossip Girl.
showed up for the whole rest of that day.
Good morning guys. Well, hey guys. Today is July 18 and I'm getting ready right now. I'm not gonna do any makeup, just gonna do my skincare, put some sunscreen on and go run some errands. I'm gonna go wash my car and then I'm going to get my nails done because my nail broke. So that's what I'm gonna do today. And yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do today, get things taken care of and then come back and do another video for YouTube. Yeah. Okay, so I'm on my way to the car wash right now to go get my car wash. So I'm on my way to go get my car wash, and then when I get done with that, I'm gonna go to the nail shop and come home and do a video for you guys for YouTube. And yeah, so that's what we're doing. So this was the next day. I came to the coffee shop to get some work done to edit for YouTube. And yeah, it was just a chill vibe. I just love doing things like this just to take me out the house so I can be able to focus. So I just got done editing. I still need to do an outfit of the day. So I'm about to walk around in the neighborhood and find a spot to do an outfit of the day and a video for Instagram and YouTube as well. So yeah. So I just found a cute spot that I like to do an outfit of the day for Instagram. But yeah, I'm just ending the vlog right here. I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy your day. Bye.